Other font formatting options include bold, italic and underline. For example, I'll select this title here by dragging over the text and selecting these 5 words. In the Home tab in the ribbon and in the font group, we have a B which will turn on the bold. If I click it again, it'll turn off the bold. So I can turn bold on or bold off using this button. I have a button for italics. If I click it, I can turn the italics on and turn the italics off. I then have an underline button where I can underline my title text or turn it off. I also have the option to apply shadow, which gives it a slightly shadow effect, and I'll leave that on. This particular button is Strikethrough, which will put a line through my text, indicating to the reader that I would like this eventually removed. And if I click it again, I can turn the Strikethrough off. This button here is actually character spacing. If I click this button, I can choose very tight, which scrunches up my letters, or very loose, which spaces them out. Slightly loose, slightly tight, but I'm going to choose very tight. I can also use this button here to change the case. I can change my title to uppercase, or capitalize each word, lowercase, make just the first word have a capital, or toggle case, which is a little funky. I can also clear any formatting changes I've made using this button. If I click this button, it'll remove all the formatting changes except for the change case. In fact, I might go undo. So I'll go to my quick access toolbar and click undo until I get the text back to how I'd like it, knowing that you've got 20 levels of undo. If there are any font formatting options that you want that are not immediately apparent in this group, you may have to hit the Font Dialog Box Launcher. When I click this Dialog Box Launcher button, it launches the Font Dialog Box, and these are all the choices you have. If it's not in this list, you probably can't have it. Here's your font size again, bold, italics and underline are in here. You've also got font color, various underline styles, strike through, double strike through, superscript, subscript, and other options as well. The trick is to play. When you go undo, you can always undo your changes until you eventually get what you're looking for.